on time.
Barely.
No, we made it. Okay, that's that. We made it, and that's all that matters. Goodbye, rainy, gloomy day. We are going to be in some nice tropical weather once we land. I cannot wait. And we made it! Hawaii,
We made it to Honolulu.
We got our bags. Now we're about to head to the hotel. So excited, it feels so good.
Feels so good.
So warm.
Ooh, Honolulu.
We are staying at the Four Seasons Resort, Oahu at Ko'olina. This is the west side of the island. Our Uber driver mentioned that it's the sunniest side of the island, so we're definitely gonna get more sun over here. All right, we made it. Aloha.
Thank you.
Inside to the right.
Thank you. So pretty. Ooh, we made it. Tarte Cosmetics got us out here for the next 3 days. Yes, I need to try all of these. I'm so excited. Hi. Thank you. Wow, that view. This view is amazing. Ooh, I can't wait. Ooh, look at all the snacks they have. Don's all looking at the food. Oh, wow. How cute.
Baby, what's your song?
Travel makeup bag because we have tons of travel.
Oh my goodness, I got
So
the gift box you guys gave me. Thank you so much.
Another one for the way home.
Yay!
Or for your room or
Perfect.
Hi. So, I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Nice to meet you. This is a new complexion product that we're launching.
Oh, wow.
So we're super excited about it. We want you to play with it
Thank you. Hold this
and use it.
Ah, yes.
We're gonna have
I
a
can't wait.
big reveal. on
Oh,
Tuesday.
wow. This is amazing.
So
It's just a little teaser guy in there for
Oh,
you.
wow. Thank
Yes,
you.
that's just over here.
We're
Perfect.
anxious to hear your feedback.
Yeah, so I can't mention anything till...
No, you can.
Oh, I
We
can.
just won't tell you the name, so you can say
Oh,
it's like
okay.
a secret formula.
You're
Tarte's
trying
gonna launch
something
a-
out, don't know what it is yet, but
Ooh, we get
you
the
only
first
have these
try. Okay. All right. I'm so excited to see the room.
Alright. You know what that means? 514.
What does that mean?
Oh.
Oh
dang.
my goodness.
Super lit.
This is dope. Wow, that's mine, Don. Sorry, you can't have
This?
it.
That looks more like mine.
Oh, that's a pet. Oh, that's for hiking. I think stuff's in
I think
there.
this is just all for me. They had to give me at least
definitely
something.
not.
They had to take
That's
care
for
of
me.
Ooh.
We can share. Oh, look
at that for water.
Hey, that's so sick. Oh my
I mean,
goodness.
it's a workout
We
thing.
got. Wow, we got a necklace.
Dang, I got some earrings.
That's so
Dang.
cute. We got a Polaroid camera. Definitely gonna use that. Oh my goodness. They brought our bags. I'm just kidding. Wow, they really hooked it up. Look at, they got the Welsh snacks. They got all the snacks that we
Oh,
like.
we
Stop with the
lit.
seaweed.
Oh, we
Did you tell them I wanted that?
You know.
You
put the
smart,
word in.
okay. Because they did ask us what kind of snacks we liked. That's so sweet. Oh my god, this hat. That is so cute. Lashes on lashes on lashes.
Dang, they got
Wow.
clothes for you and everything.
Dang, they got the bathing suits ready.
Look at this.
And more makeup. This is insane. Oh, that's for you, Dawn. You can wear that.
How'd they know this is my favorite color?
Stop, wait. They did. Oh. Yo, this is honestly the cutest
Wow.
ever.
Dang,
Fanny
I
pack.
gotta film this.
Denim jacket. Oh my goodness. Foundations, concealers, beauty blenders,
Yo,
lipsticks and lip glosses.
I ain't gonna lie. It's hard
Yo.
to get through for Liane.
Hey, this is so cute.
They got it looking right.
Wow.
yo. This
Tripping
is-
with Tarte. Thank
Liane,
you
I
so
know you in
much, Tarte.
paradise for real. Look at all this makeup.
It's crazy. And when I thought it was over, we walked into the bathroom and more products. Oh my gosh, this is honestly insane. This is so cute. They got towels, moisturizer, creams, lotions, a robe. Ooh, and it's soft too, and purple. This is so cute. Aww. I love this. Wow. How am I gonna put this all in my bag? How's this all gonna fit? Wow. Stop. But this view, oh, this ocean view. I don't wanna go anywhere. This is insane. Honestly, Honolulu, Hawaii is definitely one of my favorite islands to visit. We are so excited and grateful to be here, and we're looking forward to all the plans that we have here. It's gonna be an adventure, so definitely keep watching to see what we get into. It's gonna be good.
Get into that pool.
Alright, bro, that's really what we're gonna get into. So we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 in Hawaii, and look how beautiful it is outside again. Look at this amazing view. This food we're having today. Oh, you okay?
Mamma mia.
Are you ready to hike today?
Heck no.
You will be after this breakfast. Ooh, it's delicious.
I'm about to go down a set and hop into the Adam Sandler movie.
Yeah, the cool thing is they're filming an Adam Sandler movie right there, downstairs. This is really cool because I'm an Adam Sandler fan. I love all his movies. But anyways, we are going to explore today. We're going to go on a hike, and we have no idea. Nobody knows anything about today, where we're hiking, so it's gonna be a Tarte just gave me some shoes. I guess they're really preparing me to hike today. I don't know what to expect, but we shall see. All right, we're getting on the bus. Look, my girl Tiara, Alex. Hello. We're out here. Oh, what?
I got a question.
Oh, you got a question for me?
Yeah.
Is it private?
Yeah.
Okay. On this bus. Yeah, party bus.
The guides for today. So we're gonna go to Diamond Head. It's pretty simple hike.
Oh, I haven't hiked Diamond Head. Yay.
So, but it's a good one.
I'm excited.
Military history and really cool vantage point to look over Waikiki. Waterways that the Navy uses for its forward deployed assets, mostly destroyers now, but also the home of the Arizona Memorial, the USS Missouri. There's about 500,000 people. So, you know, like fair enough population.
We are approaching Diamond Head. Alright guys, so we made it to Diamond Head. We're in the crater. It's crazy because this used to be an active volcano that we're hiking.
I should have worn my diamonds to Diamond Head.
You should have worn your diamonds to Diamond Head now. Your diamonds would be lost in here. You'd be sick. So the cool thing about Diamond Head is that it's one of the most famous landmarks on Oahu and also in the state of Hawaii, which is insane. Just something I learned. A little thing I learned. Hey, you gotta know what you're about to hike.
I just thought it was a hill.
No, a hill, a big hill.
It's just a hill.
Your leg's already weak and you haven't even been on it yet. It's so pretty. Today's perfect. The weather's nice. And actually they said it was perfect for us to come now because they said it was raining so much the past couple weeks. So look at God. Alright, and it begins.
Take your time.
What if he just sprinted out up the hill like that? Like, dang, we gotta keep up.
Baby, I don't know about this.
It's a tunnel. You can do it.
Yo, how long is this tunnel?
Come on.
And I see the light at the
There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Always.
If you don't turn your flashlight on.
Babe,
There's a light, babe.
where?
Think on a Disneyland ride. Like the Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Just breathe, we're almost there.
I don't see no light.
There is, right
Yeah, the
there.
one with the little train. I feel like train in my head.
Babe, how far?
Alright. Going through this tunnel. Trying to make sure Don doesn't get anxiety. Come on. Woo. Here, babe. Boom. Wow. We can do it. And the last step. Woo, that's a long staircase down.
A few steps up.
Wait a minute, more stairs? Holy freaking way.
What's going on, bro? Oh, hell no.
There's more stairs going up. Here we go.
What is going on?
Okay, we made it. A few more steps. Yes. Okay. And oh my gosh, wow.
Oh,
This
damn.
is insane.
This is amazing. Look at that turquoise color. It's so pretty. It's beautiful.
Wraps all the way around. This is definitely worth the hike. Alright guys. We literally had a photo shoot. All of us had a photo shoot. Photo shoot. Here you go. So pretty.
Let me go to my house. Liane, everyone got in.
Okay, okay, okay.
Perfect. Chrissy? Someone has to know. Someone will know. Yes. Okay. Exactly. Wow. Was this adorable? Yeah, I get it. Go in. Yes, yes, yes. Whoop.
Should I kneel?
Really cute, guys. Yeah. Great.
Are we smiling?
Yeah. Perfect. And guys, baby. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Ready?
And then
1, 2, 3. Boomerang. Look at that boom. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. So we made it.
We'll check it
we
out.
survived.
Hey, not too bad.
Not too bad. Baby good.
Gucci.
He's good. He's happy to finally be back down
Safe
here.
and sound.
For real. Now we're gonna get some pineapples.
Yes.
Got some yummy pineapples over here. Ooh, these pineapples. Ooh, look at him chopping up that coconut. Yes, thank you, mahalo. Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's so good. Wow, try it. Refreshing. So we just finished the hike and now we're headed to the pool. Doing a little pool party. Aloha. So they rented out a cabana and got some food by the pool. So we're out here just going to enjoy the rest of our evening. Look at this. This is so nice.
Are they down
I think they're over there. Wow. Just relaxing. Oh, this is so cute.
Look at that outfit.
I love it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. More makeup, you guys. Their setup is so cute. They really know how to decorate this. And the little turtles. Ooh, look at the yummy food. Ooh, this looks so good. I'm about to dig in. Ooh, and the desserts. Wait, is this a cake?
Yeah.
What? That's so cute. Crazy.
That's dope.
I made my plate look so pretty, and it wasn't even hard because we had so much good food. He went in already.
Hi guys, we're really excited to have you here to celebrate the launch of High Tides and Good Vibes palette. This is our first ever Sephora Global launch, which is a huge
Yes!
We're really excited. We have 12 different eyeshadows, some glitter toppers. This is a palette that we have not done ever before. So we're really excited. It really can take you from an everyday look to a glam look. It launches today online, and then it will roll out to the different countries all over Europe and so forth starting mid-March. So we're excited. We have our great little
This is so cute.
So thank you so much. It's a really exciting day for us making our global launch.
Yeah. Hey guys, I turned into a leprechaun.